Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the Piers Team, out here with another update on our project in Raytown, Missouri. We are still in the process of getting the last couple Pier holes excavated. We still have to break out the concrete on this last hole right here, but the other two we've just getting started. We have 6 Pier 2s in total going underneath the footing to raise it back to its correct level of elevation. 3 of which on the exterior side of the east foundation wall here. Those are already excavated, ready to go. We've also gotten all of our holes cut out of the floor here, which our wall braces, our steel H-beam wall braces are going to go. So you can see right here that bottom end is sitting right on top of the footing. And we're going to fully encase the bottom end of that wall brace with high-strength concrete, make it flush with the rest of the floor. I want to take a quick look here at our level, try to see if we can get a better angle on it here. So you can see that we're showing level now on this eastern foundation wall. So our interior setup's going to remain in place. Our 6x6s, 30-ton hydraulic bottle jacks, those are going to stay in place until we finish up the rest of our wall brace installation, which we have right here. We should get a lot of that done today. If there's anything left on Monday as far as the wall braces, it'll just be finishing tying it into the floor joists. And that'll pretty much be it for that. And then obviously before we get any of the braces in that are covering up any of these foundation wall cracks here, we're going to make sure that those are epoxy injected properly behind where the wall braces are going to go. So we want to make sure we seal all those wall cracks up before we cover them up. So other than that, we're moving right along. Should be able to get finished up hopefully midway next week. Should be ready for piers probably Tuesday to get those installed and do the concrete. That really shouldn't take a whole lot of time. But again, everything's looking good on the project here. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.